So we got all these recycled bricks from some of the old walls here that are just mud and a bit of straw that could be 100 years old, something like that. The place where we're working has a lot of cob walls, and you can see the weathering on these bricks here, how significant it is. Some of these areas are covered, and even the covered areas look pretty bad. But they need to do more plastering here to protect the from melting down in the rain, because you can definitely tell that this is all getting drips and stuff from rain and starting to degrade and fall apart. But our job today is to repair part of a wall, try to protect it a little bit. So we're gonna smash these down with a bit of water, turn them back into mud like this, and build a new roof, kind of like that one, that just covers the wall a little bit more and protects it. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but do the best we can do, right? Yeah. So here's the tarp we're working with, here's the material, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, mixing it up, got a couple cups of sand, just dump water, try to soften this baby up. Oh yeah. Yeah, get it. Make that cob. So I'm trying to analyze what the last person did here. Pretty much everything's a big mess and it's a big shit show. So this part, they got flat stones, and then these curved ones like on this side, and underneath it looks like they have some plastic. This is a rock wall, so it's different, but they've got wood, and on this side they just did the stones. There's some wood there also, and then some we've seen it's just mud across, and then they just put the stones on top of the mud, and then do this like covering like this in the center area so that it will, I don't know, keep everything out. So we're just trying to keep water off of it. And this wall looks crappy, but let's see what we got going. Nice. Just laying down some mud. So we're just trying to make points where the tile's gonna stick. You had to do it a little bit higher up there, on top of that if you can. Yeah, true. Yeah, there's some spots we can't really do that, but yeah, I'm just mudding underneath, line here, line there. Hopefully this tile will harden on there and do its job, but I don't really know. No expert, but learning. How's that look? Looks good. Perfect. And to show the last wall we did. Not super proud of it, but it works. So here's the last wall we did. Also melting down. And we built this roof part here. So we did like a few different layers. These curvy ones kind of go like this. This part got patched with new cob in this area. You can see the difference. There was a big hole there. So patched that with cob. And then cob on the top here that holds these roof tiles on. And it's just angled downward, these roof tiles. And then these on the top to just kind of hold them in place and keep the water from running in between them. But it's not beautiful, but this isn't beautiful anyways. The corners we found to be really difficult. We didn't really know how people did that, and all the examples I looked at around looked even worse than ours, so we just kind of winged it. Tried to cover it as best we could, but it's still very open here. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like after being here. Who knows how long it's been. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 60, 70 years or something like that. I think that this house was probably built. And, you know, it's definitely degrading and falling apart, but it's not the worst. Yeah. Yeah, get that down in there. Not proud of it, but learning. Yeah, so it's going to be covering this wall, which doesn't seem to help because over there is covered pretty well and still getting a lot of rain.
If you're building a wall like this and putting two on top, it needs to be wide. Like, look at this roof. These panels are just like laid on top of this wood.
Yeah.
On top of more wood. That's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, someone told us it should be like, what, a meter to the mud? This is about...
An inch?
6 inches. Even all that is, and that's why it's all running down. Whatever. Looks great. That's how you build with cob.